Guys, we haven't even started the video yet.
my eye!
What is it? We're actually going in to get Crumbl right now. Okay, we're gonna get hit by the car. Did you see that? But like, look at the snow.
Ready?
Oh. Don't fall down.
Baddie with the long Uggs.
Y'all see this blizzard? I mean, I'm sure by now most of y'all have figured out where we live, but we're on the East Coast, right? Okay. This stupid like blizzard. Why are we in the tundra? Like, if I wanted to be in the snow, I would go to Antarctica.
We haven't gotten snow like this in like 3 years.
What do we always do in these vlogs? We eat. We eat, okay? And
Stop tagging my burps and farts.
your birds and farts.
Yeah.
Yeah, but anyways, guys, we're gonna be fat today. So we're gonna do another
Yay, it's so pretty.
Well, we went the distance in this freaking snow. Is it my turn to hold it this time since last time you got to hold the Crumbl box? So 2 of these we've already had in our Crumbl reviews, but we're already gonna do it again. Let me show them off before we eat them and forget.
They're the 2 that lived on last time.
I picked out the same exact cookies. Whatever.
It's their fault for having the same
This is
thing.
the chocolate chunk of the galaxy.
Galaxy.
Like a galaxy cookie. It looks like the cause.
Yeah, that's what it's supposed to be.
Oh, I'm gonna need a bite of this. It's a fat Oreo. Oh, wow.
Oh my
It's beautiful. That is a lot of sugar. You're gonna actually eat your cookies this time?
Yes.
Oh, you're out of water. Yeah. I'm so bad. Good job. And then the other repeat. It looks delish. Okay.
Oh, it's cream.
So, okay, take a bite of this cookie.
Okay, she's gonna take a bite of that cookie.
Screw it, this one. Yeah, just take a bite of that. Crumbl cookie.
They're not as hot as they were last time.
That's okay, still cookie. Oh, I'm gonna devour that shit. Okay. Here's the next one. We are wasting no time. What is it called? The Cosmo brownies? Is that what
Galaxy cookie. Well, yeah,
Like
cosmic brownies.
Cosmic brownies. I was close. I actually like hate cosmic brownies. So
Why?
I never liked them. Sorry guys. Last time what was I hating them? Like honey, everything.
Hey, it's my turn.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't take a bite from it. I just was holding it.
What if I just split it in half? I wanted some of that.
You got it last time.
No, I didn't. You took it.
Well, I don't know what that.
I'm gonna just split it in half.
Okay. That's
Okay.
fine. That tastes like straight brownie, and that's so good. Brownie as a cookie is like different but better. Oh, that's good shit. I'm gonna try it.
I have news for them after we're done.
Are you pregnant?
Yeah.
This one's cold.
And it's yours.
It's not breaking. Oh no, that's not even. Okay, guys, I'm really bad at this. I'm sorry. Here, you get the big one.
Just a small one.
It's my cookie. Ah! Ow! You got it?
I can't do it.
I'm not sure. I'm trying to be one of those mukbang people where I take like the biggest ass bites, bro.
The biggest ass bite.
Big ass cookie.
Your baby.
Oh!
Yes. What? Is it
I couldn't
amazing?
wait.
Is it amazing?
Ow. Oh. Oh. Wow. Good job, Crumbl. That was wonderful. I'm so proud of you. You guys really have done it good for yourselves. And you pleased me. I'm gonna need another bite of this.
It busted.
My still Crumbl cookie. I bust.
Ah, that was the best word.
Who is this diva? What are any of us doing out in the snow? I'm waiting for somebody to fall.
I was just about to say that.
Go to T-Mobile. You're just gonna move on like that wasn't the most monstrous thing you've ever done. Just from like 2 bites of cookies.
No, that was from 2 waters.
Stop moaning into your water bottle.
Betty, leave him wanting more.
You know, I'm really thirsty. And
Yeah.
I was like, I don't have any water with me. Yeah, the fuck I do. Just wait a minute.
I'm confused. I'm scared. Oh, I missed.
Ow!
Can I help you?
It's
Oh my god. So, no, you don't have water.
in ice form.
Okay, Elsa. we're Elsa and Anna.
Hey, we are Elsa and Anna. You're right. It just squirted all over me.
Wouldn't be the first time. What was that sound? Can I help you?
I saw that.
I like it when it's not big.
What? You like it when it's wet?
When it's raw.
Raw. Next question. No. I can taste the cocoa. I'm trying to get it!
Well, edging it isn't gonna do anything.
I ain't edging her at all. I'm shoving it in there. She's just get raw dogging it, bruh.
Cream. Oh, look at that focus. Okay, never mind. Go. Go.
What if I told you that me and Hannah were literally just 2 homeless girls who live out of a car, but y'all had no way of knowing that?
In the first episode, we actually broke into somebody's house.
And we did it for the sleepover.
What are you even saying?
You want to edit another boring video?
No, but what are you saying? Huh? What did you just say?
I farted.
Oh, baby's first fart. Wait, now that you say that, here comes the devil. Wipe off the windows, you're fogging it up.
Foggering? You could turn the heat back on.
It's not on? Ew, ew, there's a hair. I'm suing Crumbl. There was a hair in my food.
Don't do that. That hair should work. Oh no! Oh my god, that just got that on camera.
Did it go down your vagina?
I literally lost a cookie down my boobs. Where could it have possibly gone? Where? Never lose hope, guys. You'll find a cookie. And I had crumbs in between my ninnies.
Ninny's on the glass.
Ninnies on the glass! Entirely y'all sit back here? My head touches the roof. Did I just show you how tiny my freaking car is? So, just so you know, I don't be doing any shit in this car with my boyfriend because look. Like, you turned on the light with your butt. Oh. Like, how are you supposed to do this?
I don't think you guys can tell, but the whole car is shaking.
I'm just not totally, like, sure how you guys are possibly able to fuck in the car. Like,
Watch your mouth.
I'm 18, I can cuss about. I don't understand how y'all are like gonna frick in a car. Like if you have like a big ass like Land Rover or like some truck or something like a Ram, I understand like if you made it possible, but like in a car like mine, I don't understand how y'all are going at it because there's no possible shot that me and my boyfriend would be able to do anything in here. I mean, we're both like the same height. Do you see us going at it like rabbits in this back seat? No. Logical. Put some pants on. It's fucking 10 degrees.
It's actually 25 degrees.
Guys, my hair looks super good.
You always look super good, Hannah. Except for the 3 straight pieces in the back of your head.
Touch them.
It's literally straight. Look.
Gimme.
But there's like more.
Gimme. Well, that's supposed to be curled. At least you guys know I'm not faking it. Why do I?
Yeah.
Hannah.
Olivia.
Hannah. What? Hannah. What are your New Year's resolutions?
Stop procrastinating so much. Be more organized. It's 2. And then 3, you're not even gonna take seriously.
Get a boyfriend. How did I know? Mom. I'm not even sure I know mine. Well, 1, build a better relationship with food.
Really?
Okay, maybe they see me eat on camera. Do I eat on camera off? Wait. Do I eat off camera regularly?
No.
Well, I'm not gonna say it directly just because I'm not gonna admit to it, but y'all can take a guess.
Take a gander.
Take care of myself more. I know that's like a very cliche one, but like more self-care, which kind of goes along with food. And then get a job and make money. Tell them about the harasser.
Oh, there's this guy.
Do we know if he came from like our viewers?
No.
Did he?
Like, no.
No.
He didn't. It's like an actual person. Because I think... Cool. That's awesome.
I'm sorry. That's all I had to say about him. Go ahead, Hannah. I'm gonna give you a minute. Okay. Go on.
This smells like a...
Sorry, keep going.
Nope.
I'm sorry, I won't
carry
fart
on.
anymore.
Seriously, carry on. There's this guy. Anyway, there's this guy, and he keeps on texting me on TikTok, and he tried to follow me on Instagram, but like I didn't let him. But he keeps on texting me on TikTok, and he's like trying to get freaky with me. And then like a couple days ago, he texted me, and he said, I know I probably ruined all my chances, but if we went out on a real date, I'd apologize for everything I said.
I don't think y'all get like the gist like either. Like the stuff that he was saying was like descriptive detail of everything that is not okay to say
To a 15-year-old
to
girl.
a 15-year-old girl. And in general, over text, I just feel like that's not, I mean, I don't know what y'all be doing at home, okay? But like, I feel like to go into that much detail about things to a stranger you don't know, to try and get her to like you, I just don't understand like what happened to like
You.
yes, in all seriousness, like I don't know what happened to the respect of like a conversation, because no way you're about to jump into a chat and start talking about what you want to take off. And that's all I'm going to give you, because like that is wild. You guys need to learn some respect for people. So if you, that person who texted her, are sitting here watching this video, I'm out for your throat. And also, go buy like a fleshlight or something, because it seems like you're extremely lonely, and I don't feel bad for you.
Just so you guys know, like, if my mom and dad are watching, I did in fact block him and report him, and you have nothing to be worried about. I'm a stand-up citizen!
I'll end him. He'll be dead in 2 seconds. Don't mess with Olivia and Hannah. We don't play with creepy men. No, we do not.
Yeah.
We don't play with creepy people.
Anyways, guys, more news. I'm getting my braces off in March.
Also, for anybody wondering, just because I know like people ask me like in person all the time, not like fans or anything, I'm not fixing my gap. I thought about it for a while. I don't really think it's your business, but I'm just letting you know like I'm not. So
Also, if you're taking time out of your day and thinking that you're genuinely doing good and making us laugh by tagging all of our burps and farts, you're not.
I know we're pretty immature for like, you know, leaving them in the video,
But like,
I don't like, I get if you tag one that's like, oh, that was a good one or something, because like we get that humor, we think it's funny.
yeah.
But like when you sit there and put 10 timestamps,
That's gotta take like an hour, because you've gotta like leave the comment section, find another one, leave the comment section, find another one. What?
yeah, so I don't know, guys. I mean, you do what you want, but I promise you there's probably better things that you could be doing than stamping each and every single one of the farts and the burps that we leave in the videos. I mean, at this point, we're just gonna cut y'all off. Okay? You're getting too addicted. Where's my dad? I mean, I feel like we did a pretty good amount of stuff. You're not all alone, I'm right here.
I'm too small to be here on my own.
It's a freaking solo. I just love you. I was first sing with my hand up every day. Tough. I've been the voice. What happened?
Oh my god, Olivia!
She's a very freaky girl. Hopefully you like the new intro, if it's even in this video. I don't even know if it's going to be, because we're still trying to figure it out. But if we left it in, like if we can leave it in, I hope y'all like it. We love it. We love it. Like, it's one of our favorite pieces of work. So, because we actually like feel pretty in this room. You know, please fall. Please fall. please fall. It's slippery there. Watch your step. Watch your step.
Actually, please don't.
Watch your step.
And I'm free! Free falling!
Guys, start racking up these edits, okay? I'm being hot for you in these videos so that y'all can edit me. Like, I want to be edited so bad. Some options for songs. Wait, really quickly, can we go through what songs we want to be edited to so bad?
I was gonna say Nasty Dog, but I don't have any. I only have Taste it.
I know that one of them is California Lovin', or California Love. California Love. California Love. S&M by Rihanna. S-S-S-N-M-M-M. That one. Mm-hmm. It's Sticky Sticky or Carnival?
Steamy. Yeah.
Wait, let me like, give you something out of here. Or like you never like. What are your edit songs?
I'm trying to find some.
You're looking at shrimp games. What are your favorite songs right now?
No Time to Die, but like I'm not dying.
That's yeah, that we can't edit to that. Yeah. I know that there's way more clips. Just kidding. No, there's definitely not. We both have the equal amount of clips, which is like 5 clips that we actually look good in videos.
I like it right now.
So do I. Okay, what were you?
I'll give you guys something to edit.
Oh my god! And if you would have kissed me, I would have let you. Did you see that? I didn't even move.
Yeah,
I didn't even resist it. Oh my god! I have a problem. We're gonna keep this up, guys. We're gonna keep this up because as of now, we've posted 2 videos on the first 2 weeks of the year, and we're gonna keep it up.
No comment.
Because, oh, I know our New Year's resolution to post more consecutively and actually like keep up and edit.
Yeah, well now the videos are going up on Fridays. That should be more doable. Instead of giving me 2 days.
She has the harder part of the editing. I just cut for her so it's easier for her to like, she doesn't have to cut and do it. And like we both tried to,
Because
like,
I hate cutting.
And I hate editing. We both have tried individually like editing videos. It just hasn't worked out in the past. So why do you think we didn't post for like 4 weeks? Because me and Hannah both procrastinate. So if we work together and we hold each other accountable, you know. Okay, anyways, we will see you guys in the next video. Hopefully we're going to be doing something more fun next time.
Instead of just eating and crawling around and farting.
Yes, I promise guys that we have better things coming. But yeah, anyways. Alright, ready? Bye!